In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a ticket in Freshdesk. We're focusing on a soft delete, which simply moves a ticket to trash. This is a safe way to tidy up your queue because the ticket is removed from your active list, but you can still bring it back within 30 days if you change your mind. Before you begin, make sure you truly want the ticket out of your active workflows. Deleting is best for spam, duplicates, or items that no longer need action. If there's any doubt, consider whether closing or resolving the ticket might be a better fit. Also check that you have the right permissions in your account. If you don't see the delete option later, your role may not allow it, and you'll need help from an admin. Once you're ready, open the specific ticket you want to delete. Take a moment to confirm you've got the correct one by reviewing the subject, requester, and any key details that matter to your team. It's always worth a quick double check so you don't remove the wrong record from your active views. With the ticket open, look at the top toolbar on the ticket page. You'll see a trash can icon labeled Delete. Click that Delete button. Depending on your workspace settings, you may be prompted to confirm the action. If you see a confirmation, proceed to delete. As soon as you do, the ticket is moved to trash. It will disappear from your active lists and won't clutter your day-to-day queues anymore. The important part to remember is that this is a soft delete. The ticket isn't gone forever right away. It remains in trash for 30 days, giving you a safety net. During that window, you or someone with the right permissions can restore it and pick up the conversation where it left off. After 30 days, the system permanently removes it, so use that recovery window if you need to. If you don't see the delete button or clicking it doesn't work, it usually means your role doesn't have delete rights or a policy in your workspace restricts deletions. In that case, reach out to your administrator for assistance. That's all there is to it. Open the ticket, click the trash can icon in the top toolbar, and the ticket is safely moved to trash with a 30-day buffer. Use this method to keep your Freshdesk workspace clean while maintaining the flexibility to undo the action if needed.